Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. 3 months after a major system glitch left several National Commercial Bank customers with limited access to their cash, the bank is reporting that its system has not yet returned to normalcy. NCB held its quarterly press briefing earlier today. TVJ's Andrew Laidley tells us more.
It's another month end and several NCB customers are on edge. They say making in-branch transactions and using NCB's electronic platform have been challenging since the bank embarked on its major system upgrade in May. TVJ News understands that customers experienced lengthy delays today as tellers informed them that the bank's systems are down. However, Chief Operating Officer at the bank, Septimus Blake, said most of the glitches have been resolved.
We do in fact have statistics in terms of our customers. So for example, in May it would have been tens of thousands of customers and would have been affected. I'm saying that is substantially reduced.
Mr. Blake admitted that the system glitches have tested the bank.
This has been an organization stress test. The team members have been working assiduously to close out some of these customer issues, which obviously has caused some frustration, and we regret any such frustration would have caused our customers.
So what can NCB customers expect at the end of August?
Our business customers will enjoy using one single sign-on and the ability to do transactions on their own that previously required the intervention of an NCB team member. Individual customers will enjoy online banking and mobile at platforms that are more user-friendly and secure.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
We go down to currency trading. The day ended with the US dollar selling for $137.18. The Canadian closed at $105.06. The pound is now selling for $170.04, while the euro ended the day at $153.01. And we go down to the stock markets. The JSE index gained 3,673 points today, while the junior market index rose by 25 points. Among the winners were the Lemur and Bards, Blue Power Group, Honeybun, Mayberry Investments, and Key Insurance. On the losing side were Elite Diagnostic, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Pulse Investments, Caribbean Cream, and Cygnus Credit Investments USD shares. And that wraps up the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.